So before this video gets started, if you are an Uber driver, a Lyft driver, or a gig worker and you want paid time off, if you want paid time off, sick leave, you want protection if you get into accidents, if you want income protection, if you want protection if you ever get deactivated, hospitalized, if you ever do get deactivated and you want your account back as well, there's a brand new company that just launched and they got $1.6 million in funding. They're doing same day cash transfers to drivers, to gig workers for, paid time off, all that stuff. If you want that, the company's called Cover. And if you use my link down below, you get 30 days for free. It does start at $7 a month. But again, if you use my link, you get 30 days for free. No commitments, no annual contracts. You can cancel and pause at any time. At least check it out. At least click my link down below and accept that gift of 30 days for free. And now let's get on to the video. Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. I myself am the founder and CEO of the Rideshare Hub. This Rideshare Hub is a great community for Uber and Lyft drivers to come together, and we have multiple creators on this channel, so it's not just me. So if you don't like me, you can watch other people. But in today's video, I'm covering today's topic. I'm the host of the new driver referral program that is launching early October. So in about 1 week, Uber, if you guys know, paused the driver referral program throughout the illness, and then it mysteriously came back with no announcement, but everybody saw that the new driver referral program was back. Uber had nothing to say on it, but now they have just spoken up. So if you're a new driver and you have not yet signed up to, if you have not yet signed up to be an Uber driver, I will have links down below for both Uber and for Lyft. Referral promos. You can get a bonus or guarantee, sometimes of up to $2,000. Now, if you sign up for Uber or for Lyft and you forgot to use a referral code, if you recently signed up, you didn't know anybody, you didn't have any friends who were drivers, you didn't watch our videos, you just signed up out of the blue because you wanted to start making money, and then you decided to do some research, because that's usually what happens, and then you realize that you could have used a referral code. Lyft also now does retroactive referrals, and Uber does as well. So we have a specific code for Lyft called the Rideshare Hub, or Rideshare Hub. Check out the links down below. If you signed up, you never used a code, you can still apply a code. But there's a change coming, so here we go. Let's just get into it. Give the video a big thumbs up if you like these updates. This is just a quick one, but this is mainly for new Uber drivers who still want to get a referral code, or for drivers who want to make money inviting new drivers. You can make a decent amount of money inviting new drivers to both Uber and for Lyft, actually. And just by the way, I just received the other day, look at this guys, I just received $700. This is the first time. I haven't made money in Lyft in quite a few weeks, but I got $700 this week for inviting a new driver to the platform. And before you say, Dylan, you should be splitting that money with the new driver. Well, I have to pay about 30% taxes on this, so I'm actually gonna get billed 30%, so that's 700 times 0.7. It's more gonna look like $490, but still not bad. So maybe I should be splitting the 490, divide that by 2, 245 bucks. I mean, that might be fair. I don't even know who did this, but thanks for the 700 bucks. Okay, there's a lot of money to be made. I mean, this driver should have gotten paid too. He should have gotten more money, like $1,000 or actually, I think he got $2,400. That's probably why he hasn't reached out to me, because I'll probably ask him, well, you want to split your share too? Anyways, this is the update. Email.uber.com. This is the new Uber referral. Oh gosh, the new Uber referral program rules. Who is eligible to be a referrer, inviter? I mean, blah blah blah. Anyone may do it who is refer your friends, family, and other people you know, but not yourself. So you can't invite yourself. Good to know. How can I use my referral code? Basically, they just launched this. Let's see when the date was on this. 9:26. Oh, about 4 days ago, so I'm a little bit late, but still. And then they do, I believe they did create a limit on this as well. So Uber reserves the right to set a limit on the number of times you may use your referral code. The requirements for receiving and the amounts of referral rewards are subject to change at Uber's sole discretion. So with that being said, this is very active. It looks very active again. Anyone may be a refer inviter who is a legal resident, a legal age where they live, and has an Uber account in good standing. Refers inviters can be any type of Uber user. So you have to have an active Uber driver account. If you have been deactivated from Uber, you can't do this. I'm sorry. Not to call out any names here, but there are a lot of rideshare YouTubers who do not have active driver accounts. So to receive a referral reward for referring someone who provides services through your Uber application, your referee must have not previously driven, delivered, or signed up to drive for Uber. Meet all the conditions Uber has for becoming a driver. So it looks like they are taking away that retroactive referral program, because now it says drivers must have not previously driven, delivered, or signed up to drive for Uber. So I guess they're getting rid of that. So until October 5th, I believe, when this comes into effect, you have to do that retroactive. So those steps down below, probably after October 5th. Oh, referrers cannot have more than a total of 50 referral payouts. Interesting. So it sounds like they're just getting rid of the referral program. So yeah, we're probably gonna stop doing this soon, but for now, it's still active, and I think this goes into effect on October 5th. So over here at the Rideshare Hub, we're gonna have to, I mean, we have tons of creators on this channel, so we usually kind of, you know, whoever, I mean, Gregory Wave is the main creator on this channel right now. He is busting out so many videos. I'm basically his editor, but yeah, guys, we're probably gonna have to stop doing that soon. So sorry, but that's the rules, guys. Anyways, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will talk to you all soon. Have a great day, guys. Bye.